English with Deck.
Now then, you doing all right? Good, good, good. Definitely been one of those mornings, just one of them. Yeah, I had so many aspirations for today when I was making my a little plan last night. But it happens. I went to bed nice and early, all ready for the day tomorrow. However, I fell victim to the old doom scrolling. What started off as a quick um, YouTube search just for some information on something turned into about a 1 hour. Um, I want to say YouTube session, but I don't think that's correct. A 1 hour session of wasting my time is probably a more accurate description. You know, it's definitely something that I think many of us are guilty of. And there's obviously various ways to get around it or, be less tempted to do it. But, you know, well, what's done is done. Anyway, because of that, I fell asleep and then I did something else afterwards. Then I fell asleep later than I intended. And then after that, woke up late. You know, the um the snowball, which started off as a reasonably fist-sized snowball, quickly grew into, well, a reasonable size. Yeah, woke up late, forgot the kid's bag, the youngest kid's bag this morning. So when I dropped off at nursery, I was like, oh crap, where's the bag? So then I had to go back home, go back to nursery. So that used up a lot of time. And then, just Monday morning household stuff. You know, I was I was tempted. I was tempted, just to be a bit lazy, but I was tempted just to crack on with work after doing the bare minimum, cleaning, etc., etc. However, I thought, nope, it's Monday. Let's start the week off smoothly. If I've already lost a lot of time this morning, a few extra hours won't hurt. So I did a really deep clean, and it was very satisfying. Took a while, but hopefully it stays like this for a few days, but who knows? Fast forward another couple of hours from there, and now we are here, fed, watered, lessons prepared, and ready just to do my personal errands and bits and bobs. Which brings me round perfectly to this week's announcement. Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll, please. Boom. No, it's not that exciting. Um, Basically, the date is currently the 2026 March the 23rd. And as of, let me just bring the calendar up just to make sure I get this right. As of 2026, Wednesday the 25th, 10 a.m. Japan time, um, there will be Deck English Live number 2. So absolutely feel free to join if and in the live session if that works out for you. And also this week, as pre-mentioned in a previous episode, there will be another evening live this week on 2026, March the 28th, which is a Saturday evening, Japan time, 8 o'clock. Yes, 8 p.m. That is 8 p.m. Just to make sure everyone's understood and in the loop there. Uh, 2026, March the 25th, 10 a.m. Japan time, and 2026, March the 28th, Saturday, 8 p.m. Japan time. Now, what I am planning to do if there are not no live listeners joining, keep it nice and short, and you can absolutely, of course, view at your own convenience. If, of course, one, two, three, four, five, 100 people do join, of course, we will do the allocated 30 minutes for each of those lives. But yeah, anyway, you know, if you are available at those times, absolutely hop into the room. It would be greatly appreciated. And whilst I'm doing a little shout out about the YouTube stuff, another quick shout out about English with Deck, and furthermore, just what it can be done to, support the channel. Of course, a like goes a very long way on whichever platform you are using. And even if you have a extra minute or two on top of that, a quick review is so appreciated. You know, these likes, these reviews, they generate traction, they make movement in the algorithms of the platforms which we are all listening on. And just a quick like and that quick review, and it can really help. It can just give new listeners a bit of reassurance, and it can also generate some avenues for new listeners to learn English. So it's not just me you're doing a favor to here. It's also your fellow English learners, you know. And as we are all one big learning community, I think it's only fair to help each other out a little bit. So, yeah, if you have time, a review and a quick like. Thank you so much. Okay, well, guys and girls, that is all we have time for today. So I will see you in the next one. But for now, have a great morning, a fantastic afternoon, and a wonderful evening. See you soon. Bye for now.